One feature of Power BI that is often overlooked is the ability to edit the mobile version. Let's go over to Power BI Desktop to take a look. Alright, now that we're in Power BI Desktop, let's take a look at the mobile version editing. So I have this simple dashboard. It's not the prettiest, simple dashboard that I built for this demo. Just a dashboard with some column charts, bar charts, a line chart on the bottom. It wouldn't exactly look like this if you opened it on a mobile phone. Here's how you get to the mobile version. I've already clicked here, so I'm going to go back to home. I'm going to click on this view button on the menu, and you're going to click on mobile layout. Once I click here, you kind of see this phone image. It's blank because I haven't developed a mobile version of this dashboard. It's very simple. So in order to start building, just like in Power BI Desktop for Windows version, just drag your chart over, and you can put it wherever you want. And you'll always have a scroll bar. So I have my sum of profit by state here. If I want to bring in my line chart, I can put it down here. It's always best to make sure that the start screen, so this would be your start screen before you scroll, looks nice, and then scroll down from there. So I can scroll down on the mobile version and add anything else that I want here, just like you can in the desktop version. These charts are generated based on what you have created in the regular version.